All right, it's Saturday, February 7th. Me and my dad are out here fishing, and it's pretty foggy, super glassy. It was just low tide, and we're both throwing top waters. He's throwing a mirror lure, and I'm throwing a Super Spook Junior. There's a bunch of trout out here in the middle of this channel. Good thing I just checked that, huh? All right, now we're fishing. Okay. I knew he wasn't going anywhere. I saw there were two of them. I saw one go left.
God dang it.
Well, you got to pop it off quick, or else now it's set in there. You got to pop it quick.
It's done.
You want to throw something else?
Too good at casting.
Yeah, I am. Ooh, dang, he came off. I didn't set the hook or anything. Frick. All right, so far I've missed one. Had it hit. I just didn't set the hook because I was not paying attention. Dad, there's like 3 on this oyster bed over here.
Well, I got something. Coming up my...
There's usually some trout right here too. There's a bunch of trout over there usually. There's a red going towards you.
There he is. I'm on.
Redfish?
I don't know.
That's a red. Not a little trout. Oh, you barely got him, buddy.
That's alright, dude. Told you, son. You keeping him?
Do you want to keep him? We don't need to keep him. Can you show the camera?
This is what I'm talking about. I try to teach my son how to fish, but I catch.
That was a $30 fish.
Yeah. We don't talk about that.
Pretty much just anywhere around here, this area is all pretty good usually. You see that oyster bed that's an island up to the left, that small one?
Yeah.
If you can cast towards that, it's usually really good over there for trout. These trout, you see them all hitting the top water?
There he is. That's the same one that probably hit mine. Dude, I'm going over you.
No, you're fine.
Hard to do it when you're going towards me.
The trout are, you're probably going to catch more on the smaller one, honestly. They always miss it. Geez, that thing made it fling out of the water. Did you see that? It hit it? Oh man, did you just hear that?
Yep.
Well, did you just hear mine?
No, mine got bent.
if he'd hit the dang thing right. I'm on now. Nice trout. Look at that one.
Right
On the top water. We're in them thick now. Bigger one than usual here. You want to keep them?
If you want to clean them, I don't care.
I'll clean them. Nice one. Another one. Just cast up to this oyster bed. Jeez. You need anything out of here before it gets all fishy? No. We're moving. I'm on. Trout, just in the middle. Bigger one. I was gonna tell you to throw up over here anyway. All right, 3 trout so far. All would have been keepers. We're looking for that redfish though. I just got hit.
I got it that time. Got it.
Bluefish.
I was gonna say, why not? That's what you make dip out of.
Here, let me see that thing.
Ooh.
Get hit?
Same thing.
I'll just let him take. You gotta just let it sit there.
No, but you gonna let him track his brother?
Yeah. I'm trying to get him off my freaking hook is what I'm trying to do.
I was gonna say, where there's one bluefish, there's more. They ain't no loner.
You get hit again?
No.
All right, I'm throwing a Big Ballers Z-Man with a red bone color. My dad's throwing a pinfish minnows, both on 1/4 ounce jig heads. All right, we're gonna move spots. I don't feel like getting ate like this, do you? Tail biter trout. And it's weird. It's gonna be weird. You've got an open jig head, but you sort of gotta let it hit the ground where the oysters are, you know? My dang glass is like fogging up, not fogging up.
I think it's more the fog itself. Because mine are clear when I look at the boat. When I look in the distance. God dang, this motherfucker's chasing me. Damn, I'm on. I wasn't even doing nothing. Trout. All I was doing is hanging it off the side of the boat.
I told you, you gotta.
Scratching my goddamn ankle. Bye. You were too small anyway. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
We're gonna try and get to that back spot and
Where's
then.
the goddamn bug spray?
Oh, geez.
I'm getting gnats.
Okay. There's something right there.
Really need the bug spray.
It's.
Get this over with.
Oh, geez. I'm throwing a mullet, Dean. It's a different topwater than I've ever thrown before, so we're gonna see how it works. My dad's still throwing the Super Spook Boyo.
Getting ate by fucking gnats.
He's getting ate by gnats. I just got blew up. Yeah, if you want trout, you just need to get out here in the middle. I would probably just do the out in the middle.
Pretty much control it the way we're going. Got a hit?
Yeah. Now I'm fishing this oyster bed. What's up?
He had it in his mouth. Right, he's still right there.
We'll throw it, cast it back over there.
There he is.
Nice. Told you the shrimp would work, huh?
I told you DOA yesterday.
Hey, calm it down there, buddy, all right?
I just picked some up yesterday at Walmart.
Did you?
Well, I had them in my hand.
Well, I got these ones. You got it even better. You got the voodoo shrimp.
These are good ones, too. About 42 pounds.
Here, I got the net.
No, he's the perfect duty size.
You want to keep them? You want your Parmesan redfish? I'll clean them. Do you want to eat them while you're here?
I'm gonna milk them.
I don't know if that's a keeper or not.
I don't know either.
No, that's a keeper. It's a keeper. What if you get him over here? What you want me to do? Just stick my arm 10 yards that way? You're gonna get him. All right.
Right on. Shrimp it. God dang, there's like a freaking gnat.
Here, well, there's more over there, aren't there?
Yeah.
Well, let me go cast. Can you make sure you show that camera?
Ah!
Jeez, why would you pick him up that way? Holy cow.
Because I'm a man.
You pick him up by the line when you're a man?
There you go. Like I said before. If you keep this on the fish,
Hey, what? I thought we were keeping him. Okay. You better get over there. There's more of them. I didn't really see him until a second ago. You see how they like that? He hit it while I was sitting there, didn't he?
yeah.
Not even moving? I bet you we move over here for a second, Dad, and they'll go back to that oyster bed. Oh, I'm on one.
Trout. I think I got this fixed. If I can reel it in without fucking.
Little trout on the prawn stars. All right, so far 2 on the shrimp, huh? Nothing on the topwater. I mean, I did get the blow up on the topwater too. Ow, dang, he came off right when the hook was in my hand. There's a few more over there. You got me to put the trolling motor down?
Yeah, we could have a spot. Or
I'm about to try and catch another one real quick. Let me cast. We're gonna cast a foot off the bank and just let it sit.
you shut that motor off.
All right, it's off. Because the wind's coming at us and pushing us into that bank.
Huh?
Because the wind is coming at us and pushing us into that bank.
Okay. Well, there they are. Look at them. They're just deep.
You gonna get yours out there?
Yeah. Let me get it up.
Yeah, nice. Pull it in a little bit further. A little bit further.
I'm gonna let it sit right there. to have this on film.
I've got it on film.
Do you?
Maybe give it a little pop.
Come on.
Are you really? Little trout.
Oh, that whole thing.
That one's bigger.
Thanks, buddy. You on to a red?
Yep.
Right on the section.
No, trout.
Oh, nice one though.
Get hit on the prawn stars. You know what that's bait is called, Dad?
What?
Prawn stars. I'm on. I'm about to be. Oh, come on. Get your rod back out. You. Oh yeah.
You on?
Well, ain't oyster bed ain't rip and drag.
You're stuck at the bottom.
On the prawn stars again. Thanks for watching, guys. Glad I got to go fishing with my dad. We didn't catch any crazy big fish or anything like that, but we did catch a number while I was here for the weekend, and we got to have a little bit of fun together. So you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll try and make it happen. See y'all next time.